So in last class we have discussed about the accounting treatment of reserve, accumulated profit and losses. So for that we have learned that for every reserve like workman compensation reserve, investment fluctuation reserve या कोई भी accumulated profit if it is given, then हम उसकी separate entry सीख ली हमने कि how we will treat each and every entry in case of these concepts, right? But कई बार क्या होता है, sometimes the partners decide to record the net effect of reserves. Net effect means all reserves, all accumulated profit and losses, and all other if reserves are there without affecting their existing values. It means they will pass a single adjustment entry. What does it mean? कि हमें सारी हर एक के लिए सेपरेट एंट्री नहीं करनी, हमें सिर्फ एक सिंगल एंट्री दिखानी है जिसमें हमारे सारे रिजर्व्स, एक्यूमुलेटेड प्रॉफिट इंक्लूड हो जाए. ओके, एंड दिस एडजस्टमेंट एंट्री, दिस सिंगल एडजस्टमेंट एंट्री विल इन्वॉल्व द कैपिटल अकाउंट्स of the gaining partner and the sacrificing partner. Okay, so when partners decide to record the net effect of reserves and accumulated profit and losses, 4 steps are required, right? 4 steps. So what will be the first step? I'll explain you all the steps with the help of a question, and the question will be like this: PQR, they were sharing profit and the losses in the ratio of 6:3:1. They admitted S for the partner into the partnership with effect from 1st April 2020. Their new PSR will be 3:3:1. Okay, so new PSR is given and the old PSR is given. They also decide to record the effect of the following without affecting their book value. Okay, so you'll get this statement or this line in the question that they decide to record the effect of the following without affecting their book values. And what are the following things? Following 4 things are given. One is general reserve. The book value of general reserve is 1,80,000. You will found this value on the liability side. Then contingency reserve. Contingency reserve is a specific reserve. It is used when the need of such thing required or if any particular event happened. Okay, contingency means यही है. The book value of the contingency reserve is 30,000. Then profit and loss credit balance is given. I told you credit balance means this is a profit amount and the amount of profit is 90,000. If it is written debit here, what does it mean? It means it is a loss, right? Last thing is given advertisement suspense account. Okay, advertisement suspense account, we know this amount is a loss which is given on the asset side, and the book value of advertisement suspense is 1,20,000. Okay, आपको लास्ट में दे रखा है instead of passing individual entry, just pass an adjustment entry. Okay, adjustment entry. Now how we'll going to do this in 4 step? The step 1, will be the calculation of net effect. Means you are going to calculate net effect. What will be the net effect of these 4 items: general reserve, contingency reserve, profit and loss, and advertisement suspense. Okay, so we'll write that like this: calculation of net effect, general reserve 1,80,000. This is our working note work. Contingency reserve, CR is contingency reserve, amount of this is 30,000. Okay, and the profit and loss credit balance, this is profit. So we'll add these three because these three are प्रॉफिट काइंड ऑफ थिंग. प्रॉफिट है, रिजर्व है एंड प्रॉफिट है. तो हम तीनों पॉजिटिव बैलेंसेस को ऐड कर देंगे एंड यू विल गेट हियर 3 लाख, राइट. अब नाउ एडवर्टीजमेंट सस्पेंस इज गिवन, वी नो दैट दिस अमाउंट इज ट्रीटेड एज अ लॉस. तो इन तीनों को जो हमने एडअप किया है इसमें से हम विल डिडक्ट द लॉस अकाउंट, दैट इज एडवर्टीजमेंट सस्पेंस अकाउंट, and the amount is 1,20,000. This is negative amount, so we'll deduct this amount from the profit and you'll get 1,80,000 here. So we have completed our first step. The first step is net effect. What we are doing, we are calculating net effect. Okay, net effect कितना आया आपका 1,80,000. Now the second step will be calculation of the same treatment we have given in last chapter, that is change in profit sharing also. Now the next step is calculation of sacrificing ratio या gain share निकाल रहे हैं, gain share of each partner. राइट. आपको ओल्ड एंड न्यू रेशियो गिवन है. यदि ओल्ड आपके 6:3:1 है एंड न्यू है आपके 3:3:1. सो बोथ रेशियोज आर गिवन. तो सेकेंड स्टेप आपका हो जाएगा ओल्ड माइनस न्यू, जो कि हम ऑलरेडी सीख चुके हैं कैसे करते हैं. सो दिस इज PQR and S is the new one. So he is gaining here. No old ratio is given of the new partner, that is S. So हमारा फॉर्मूला होता है to calculate SR, old minus new. Old minus new. Okay. So what was their old ratio? 6/10, 3/10 and 1/10. He was not having any old share. Minus new share. What is their new share? Their new share is given 3/10, 3/10, 3/10 and 1/10. Okay, so you can clearly observe, if we'll deduct these two fractions, the first partner, that is P, he is sacrificing his 3/10 share. There is no effect on Q, neither he is sacrificing nor he is gaining. And R is getting minus fraction. Minus shows that R is gaining partner, existing partner is gaining here. And the last one is the new one, obviously he will gain here. Okay, so one partner is sacrificing, another two are gaining. One partner is sacrificing and another partners are gaining. दो है और एक पे कोई भी, क्यू पे कोई भी इफेक्ट नहीं हो रहा. तो बेटे स्टेप फर्स्ट पे हमने एक अमाउंट कैलकुलेट किया था. थर्ड इसका स्टेप रह गया है. थर्ड स्टेप इज टू पास द जर्नल एंट्री. थर्ड स्टेप. Okay, before that I am doing little bit calculations here. So we had a net effect amount, that is 1,80,000, and we have ratio as well. So we'll calculate their share from 1,80,000. So P's share will be 3/10 he is sacrificing. So if you'll calculate the 3/10 of this, so you'll get that P is sacrificing 54,000 rupees. 1,80,000 में से he is sacrificing 54,000. Q का हमें पता है he had no effect, so will not calculate his share because he has nothing to gain and nothing to share, nothing to gain and nothing to sacrifice. And the third one R is gaining by 2/10, so we'll calculate of 1,80,000 2/10. So we'll get here 36,000 he is gaining. and 1/10 he is gaining, the new partner. Okay, S. So he'll get here 18,000. So the new partner is getting 18,000, means 1/10 of 1,80,000. So we have done 2 steps. Now the last step is last step will be the journal entry. Okay, journal entry will be, now it is very easy for us if this type of questions asked in the question paper. So 1 mark is to calculate the net effect, second number 1 mark is to calculate the gain, and third mark is allocated for the passing journal entry. So third entry will be like this. थर्ड स्टेप में हमें जर्नल एंट्री पास करनी है. तो जर्नल एंट्री बेटा हमें पता है, सेक्रीफाइसिंग पार्टनर्स विल बी क्रेडिटेड एंड गेनिंग पार्टनर्स डेबिट. ये हमारा थ्रू आउट पार्टनरशिप यही एडजस्टमेंट, यही जर्नल एंट्री चलेगी. गेनिंग पार्टनर डेबिटेड टू सेक्रीफाइसिंग पार्टनर. ओके, सो हिल बी P इज गोइंग टू बी क्रेडिटेड. तो एंट्री क्या बनेगी आपकी, आर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट डेबिट, एस कैपिटल अकाउंट डेबिट टू P's capital account with this amount 18,000, 36,000 and 54,000. This is the part of 1,80,000 of the net effect of all the reserves and accumulated profit. So entry will be like this. R's capital account. Okay, R's capital account यानी कि 1,80,000 का gaining share था 2/10, तो he got 36,000. Then the second one is S capital account. Debit, this is 1,80,000 share 1/10, it means 18,000. both were gaining, so gaining partner debit to sacrificing partner. And who was sacrificing partner? P. and 1,80,000 का he was having 3/10 share, so we'll write the 54,000. Okay, and here you will write in narration, being the adjustment entry passed for reserves and accumulated profit and losses. This is all about the single entry in case of reserves and accumulated profit.